Hello students, how are you? Today I am going to discuss capitalization method. Okay, capitalization method of goodwill. In last video, you knew super profit method and average profit method. In this video, you are doing capitalization method. What is the capitalization method? Whenever you will understand capitalization method, then you will have to see the previous video. Then you can understand easily capitalization method, because this is third method of your goodwill. Chapter 2 partnership. Okay, it is most important chapter. Try to understand it. Problem number 1 already I have discussed in the last video. Problem number 2 you are going to know about it. Okay, try to understand it. Calculation of average profit method. Please see the question. Rajan, please see the question. Rajan and Rajani are partners in a firm. Their capitals were Rajan 3 lakh and 2 lakh. This is the capital. Rajan 3 lakh and Rajani 2 lakh. During the year 2022, the firm ordered profit. This is average profit. How much? This is average profit, 1,50,000. Calculate the value of goodwill of the firm on the basis of calculation of average profit, assuming the normal rate of return is 20%. We are investing the capital in the business, and we know very well we will earn profit after doing the business. Then we are earning normal rate of return. We are seeing here 20% is normal rate of return. This is the problem. Now we are going to solve it. This is solution. We know very well the formula of capitalization of average profit method. In previous video already I have discussed the formula of calculation under calculation under average profit method. You have already done in the previous video. In spite of I am writing this formula again. Capitalized value of average profit. 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 A is equal to average profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. In previous video you have already written this formula. Capitalized value of average profit is equal to average profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. Okay. We know very well average profit is 1,50,000. Average profit is 1,50,000. Already given in question. 1,50,000. Okay, 1,50,000. Okay, into 100 divided by normal rate of return is 20%. Okay, please calculate it. 1,50,000 into 100 divided by 20. 1,50,000 into 100 divided by 20. 7,50,000. 7,50,000. Okay, please see it. Capitalized value of average profit is equal to average profit. Okay, average profit into average profit into 100 normal into 100 divided by normal rate of return. 1,50,000 into 100 divided by 20 is equal to 7,50,000. Okay, capitalized value of average profit. Clear? Please note it. And next, capital employed. Capital employed. We know very well the formula of capital is equal to capital employed is equal to the assets minus liability. In this question, liability is not given. Just you will write the assets. Okay, because assets is not given in this question. Sorry, liability is not given. Okay, so capital employed is equal to 3 lakh plus 2 lakh. How much capital they invested? 3 lakh and 2 lakh. Okay, just you write it. 3 lakh plus 2 lakh. How much? 5 lakh. 3 lakh plus 2 lakh, 5 lakh. Okay. Their capital invested in the form. Goodwill is equal to, you know very well the formula of goodwill. Goodwill is equal to capitalized value of average profit into capital employed. Goodwill is equal to capitalized value of average profit into goodwill is equal to capitalized value of average profits, okay, minus capital employed, okay, minus capital employed, okay. Capitalized value of average profit, how much? You are seeing here, capitalized value of average profit is 7,50,000 is given. 7,50,000 is given, capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed 5 lakh. So 7,50,000 minus 5 lakh. Okay. 7,50,000 minus 5 lakh. Okay. 7,50,000 minus 5 lakh. Please calculate it. 7,50,000 The goodwill is equal to capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed. So 7,50,000. Capitalized value of average profit is 7,50,000. So 7,50,000 I have written here minus 5 lakh. Okay, minus capital employed. Capital employed is 5 lakh. So minus 5 lakh. So 7,50,000 minus 5 lakh. You write here. Write down 2,50,000. Okay, 2,50,000. 2,50,000. So here you will write 2,50,000. This is answer. Okay. Try to understand again. I am going to discuss. Please see it. Capitalized value of average profit. Capitalized value of average profit is equal to average profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. In last video I have already discussed it. The average profit is given all in the question. Average profit is already given in the question. 1,50,000. Average profit is 1,50,000. So 1,50,000 into 100 divided by 20 is equal to 7,50,000. Okay, 7,50,000. 1,50,000 into 100 divided by 20. 1,50,000 into 100 divided by 20 is equal to 7,50,000. Okay, this is capitalized value of average profit. Capital employed is equal to 3 lakh plus 2 lakh. 3 lakh plus 2 lakh already given in the question. Please see the question. 3 lakh. Rajan invested 3 lakh and Rajni invested 2 lakh. 3 lakh plus 2 lakh is equal to 5 lakh. Okay, 3 lakh plus 2 lakh, 5 lakh. Clear? So goodwill is equal to capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed. Clear? Capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed. So 7,50,000. Capitalized value of average profit is equal to 7,50,000. Okay, so here 7,50,000 minus 5 lakhs. So 5 lakh is here. Capitalized value, capital employed is 5 lakh. So 5 lakh we have written is equal to 2,50,000. This is answer. Okay, please see it. Okay, so in this video we knew what is the capitalization method, problem and solution. Okay, Next video we will I will discuss capitalization in this video you knew capitalization of average profit method. Next video you will know about capitalization under super profit method. Okay, thanks for watching this video.